So this is the second video with Adrien, and now I ask you, uh, what would you leave as an advice to people that like you listen to you and say, well, this experience of the guy is interesting, but it's so difficult for me to go away from Brazil and to travel abroad. What would you say is a good starting point for them? What advice would you give?
First of all, that we are all unequal. Like, I was lucky because I got two citizenship when I was born, an English, an American one, and a French one, and that allowed me to travel really easily around the world. But I understand that not everybody has that, so that means that it's gonna be harder. But you will also learn more doing it, and so don't wait. Like, don't wait for things to happen, because for me it was already hard at some point to do what I wanted and to travel. So if you don't have the same facilities, then just start right now building it for what you want. And even if you doubt, which is normal, doubt is actually, I believe, something that's really important, that makes you think about what you're doing and get more precise and make you more understand what you're doing. But even if you doubt if travel is going to be useful or not, if it's going to bring you things, while it's going to be hard and tough to prepare, then go for it. Try it once, because in any case, you will then know if it was worth it or not. If you don't try, you don't know. And from my point of view, it brought me so much that even if it's harder for you, try it and give it a chance, even if it involves taking a lot of time, a lot of energy, and taking resources. But be aware that you also have different possibilities compared to, for example, me. So take that into account. You might not be able to travel to Europe because it's really, really complicated, and you haven't been traveling before. So with what you have, try to find a destination that is feasible with what you have and what you feel comfortable at first. So the idea is not to go right away into a really high step. That's going to be so difficult that you might actually give up. But find an objective. If you live in Brazil, maybe you haven't been traveling in South America, then go to another country in South America as a starting point. And what you will got from that experience, then you will be able to use it to go a little bit further next time. And that's how you will be able to build a traveling experience and traveling method that's going to help you to maybe go one day, I don't know, in Europe, in Central Asia, or somewhere else where you feel that you want to go later on.
Beautiful.
One last important thing, really, as you travel, is for me to like record what I feel and what I learned. I got into photography while I was traveling because for me it was a way to gather data and to sit back and interrogate myself on how I was feeling and what I was learning. And I believe it's important while you travel to have a tool that will allow you to take a bit of distance regarding first the life you left, because you will have time to think about it because you will have a distance, and also the life you're getting in, and having a notebook to write down ideas, or I think a camera to record it. For me it was important, so maybe it be important for you. But don't take it too seriously, just do it with the flow, and that could help a lot.